Creations. Today's DIY, I'm going to show you on how to make a case that can stand in multiple ways that can be used for any electronic device. And you can also make it waterproof. Please remember to subscribe and hit the like button at the end of this video, and make sure to click on the bell button so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Let's get to it! Things you will need to create this case for any electronic device are duct tape, a canvas panel, a glue gun, a cutting board, an X-Acto knife, a pencil or pen, and a basic phone case. First, take your canvas panel and place it onto your cutting mat. Then with an X-Acto knife, cut it out to the exact size you want your case to be. Once done, cut out a second panel to the exact same size. Next, place your basic phone case in the center of one panel and trace around the holes with a pencil or pen. Then use an X-Acto knife and cutting board to cut out the holes. Once done, lay it down, line up the basic phone case on top, and your last panel on top of that. Next, cut off a strip of duct tape, starting from the bottom right corner, leaving a small space around the edges. Apply your duct tape and carefully wrap it around to the back. You can cut off any excess if needed, making sure to leave a small piece of duct tape hanging over the edge. Then open up your panels and fold all of the edges inwards. Repeat all of these steps again until the entire outside of your panels are covered. Once done, open up your panels and with an X-Acto knife and cutting board, cut the duct tape out around your holes, leaving a small gap around the holes so that you can fold them inwards. Once done, cut a piece of duct tape to the exact length of the inside of your phone case. Place it on top and cover the entire inside of your phone case. Flip it over, then cut out and fold the holes as you did before. Once done, you can take your basic phone case and apply glue to the back of it and position it in place to the inside of your phone case, and that's it!